Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back again to my channel Bhabna's Beauty World. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon beside so that you can get notification every time I post a new video on makeup, skincare, beauty tips, tricks, hacks and other entertainment related videos in every week in my channel. So from the title of this video, you have already known that today we're gonna create a halo cut crease eyeshadow look. You can create this look on special occasions like New Year and other festivals. Now a lot of you may find difficult from the name of this eyeshadow look, but trust me, this eyeshadow look is so easy to create, and to make it more easier, I haven't cutted some clips and didn't speeding them up so that you can get the whole idea how did I create this look. So without skipping any part of this video, just watch the whole video, and if you like it, just give a thumbs up. So in off camera, I did my base makeup and one side eyeshadow, and on the other eye I will do in front of you. First of all, I'm taking this neon purplish pink color matte eyeshadow with a soft fluffy brush and just blending it like a transition shade. And one more thing, I have primed my eyes and used this scotch tape so that I can get a straight shape in the outer corner. And one more thing, these eyeshadows are from Morphe 32B palette. Now taking this dark purplish pink color from the same palette with the same brush and blending it a little below to that transition shade. Now I'm taking this dark purple color from my Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro 2 palette with a pencil brush. I'm just darkening my crease line and I'm not blending it too much. Now I must have to say you something that I have created this eyeshadow look just to give you that idea, and I have used pink colors and golden color to create this look. You don't need to use every time pinks and goldens. You can use any three same tone color in case of pinks and any shimmery or neon popping color in case of golden. Now it's time to create the halo effect. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use any concealer that you have and create a small cut crease just middle portion of your eyelids. Now a lot of you may find this halo eye or cut crease very time consuming. But trust me and trust in yourself. Practice more and more. Makeup is all about practice. If you practice a lot of time, you'll create this in a very short time. Actually, cut crease is not my thing in day-to-day life. I just create smoky eyes or just one eyeshadow, a smudged eyeliner, or any kind of just simple things. Dramatic eyes is not my thing, so I do not practice it lot of times, but I can do it. I can create it because I have created many times this. So if you practice more and more, if you try it more and more, you can also create these dramatic eyes and many kinds of dramatic eyes in a very short time. So just don't get upset, don't get nervous, just be confident and try more and more. That's it. So after cutting my crease, I'm setting this concealer with a dense flat brush with the shadow that I'll pop at the middle of my eyelids. Exactly that shadow which I'll pop, I'll use to set the concealer. Firstly, I'm using in a tapping motion with this brush on the edges of the concealer so that the edges get really sharp edge, and after doing the setting I'm just popping it with my finger because if at the first time I pop it with my finger, the edges will broken or blended or it will get messy. So I'm just setting it and then tapping on top of that so that it can get a perfect halo effect. So after doing my halo effect, I'm just creating the same shadow that I used before the cut crease. I'm just using those pinks, those purples, those darks in the same way, just in the outer corner and inner corner, and in the middle portion of my lower lash line I'll also pop that halo eyeshadow or that shimmery eyeshadow. That's all about it. Now I have to tell you one more thing. After doing my eyeshadows, I'm just pulling out my scotch tape. Now a lot of you may complain me then pulling off your scotch tape, your foundation turns up or pull off. But trust me, if you set your foundation perfectly after pulling off the scotch tape, it will not come out. So firstly, set your foundation perfectly, and if you cannot set it perfectly, don't use foundation before eye makeup. Firstly, do your eye makeup, then use foundation on your face, or then use your base makeup. That's it. Now I'm highlighting my brow bones and inner corners with this white shimmery shade from my Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro 2 palette. So my eyeshadows are done. Now I'll use a white eye pencil from Lakme Iconic Kajal and instant liner from Lakme and mascara also from Lakme. So you can see my eyeshadow look is complete. Still, I haven't done my face makeup, my lipstick, my contour, blush, highlighter, but still, without any face makeup and lipstick, without completing my full face makeup, just the eyeshadow look creates a beautiful, gorgeous effect on my face. So, after doing my contour, blush, highlighter, the face makeup and lipstick in the off camera, I'll be right back. So, it was all about today's eyeshadow tutorial. This video was mainly focused on the eyeshadow, so I didn't show you how I created my base makeup, eyebrows and other face makeup, lipsticks. If you really want to know about that, I'll link that in the description box. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and other social medias. Can be my friends. You can check that out. I'll link that in the description box. And if you really interested in my personal life, you can check out my vlog channel. I'll link that in the description box. Now a lot of you may complain about me about my dress and hairstyle which doesn't go with this look. I know, but actually I created this look to make you learn to how to create this look, and just created this look to shoot this film, and after that I just wiped it off, so don't judge me please. So thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next week inshallah. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Please be subscribed to my channel. Tata!